Yay, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. Merry Christmas to you. My pom-pom out front. Well, what'd you get for Christmas? Well, one of the things I got, and I want to share, is I got the Kolbalt. This is the work speaker. And, of course, it's Wi-Fi, so it should hook right up to, see, the 24-volt brushless motor system is available in these different tools. Yes, of course. And I'm working myself up to these. I've got the first one I bought is this one here. That's the one I've been doing. I did the first. This one will be. I think that one's going to be linked to this one. So that's the first of the Kolbalt series tools that I bought, and it works really good. So and with that, I only got the tool, not knowing that I only got the tool. So I had to buy the charger separate, and it just happened that when you bought the charger, there was a deal that I got the battery. So I didn't have to buy the battery separate. It all came together. So that's what I'm using right now. The batteries will fit all their tools, and this being that's from extension. So this is what we got, and this is the this is the Kolbalt portable work speaker, and it does not come with a battery, so you're gonna have to buy a battery. That's what I was coming to. This is the battery that I got with the charger. Again, it does not come with a battery or a charger. So, but it'll work off any of the 24 volt, whether it's a 2 amp, 4 amp. I think they may go 6. So I've already charged this one up. I was using it with the other one, and then I went out and got a 4 amp. I punched the button, and I'm down one because I did use it on something else. So we'll probably slide it right in here. Slides tight. Woo! Okay. Sweet. Okay, so power on. Cool. Okay. So it's gonna sit like so. And there's power on. Not sure what's gonna happen. So let's see. A good way to do this. Let's see. I don't know what that was. I don't know why. It's got a little rubber strap for you to carry it with. And power up. This will also comes with. Oh, okay, that's right. Comes with a USB that you can plug into something else and charge your phone with it. From what I understand, we got a wall plug. Okay, so that's an external wall plug, and I guess it can charge the battery at the same time. It's got a external side, so it's got a USB, and then of course it's got the external. So can't tell whether it's on or not. I'm gonna get nailed. Probably gonna get nailed for. Let's see. Let's set this for all these systems. You go through your Wi-Fi system on your phone. So let's go. Gotta go to your settings, connections, Bluetooth on. That's gonna go. Let's see. What's this one gonna be? It's gonna have something to do with Bluetooth. That was Osmo. Okay. Let's see what this is doing. Let's see, scan. Gonna hit scan. See if something comes up. Okay, there we go. I just held a little bit longer. I got a blue light, and blue light's flashing. So I'm going to scan with my phone. Okay. The top now. Turn monster. Set. Bluetooth. Huh. Okay. That's interesting. Okay, maybe that's where tunes. No, what tunes? Okay. Connecting. I think that's another system. Motorola. I don't know why we're not. Should be picking up. Oh, it's just down below here. KB, it's got to be it. Kolbalt. There it is. Sweet. So that means it's functional now. Now how I'm going to do that without getting hit with a copyright running that thing. But you heard that it did sound up. Yeah. Because the minute I hit play, it's gonna play. How am I gonna do that without getting hit with a copyright? Shoot. See how it sounds. Alright, sweet. So it does work. Let's see, we turn it off. So it shuts off. Now, see what happens when it start back up again. See if it automatically connects. Sounds like it just did.
That ain't right!
Okay. That's James Brown. I'm probably going to get nailed for a copyright on that. I don't know how I'm going to go buy it. Oh well. Maybe it'll share with me. I don't know. But there you go. Turn it down. Now, quick question on that, because I know it charges. I wonder if it'll charge from the wall, charge from the USB. Would it charge a battery too? Let's see. DC jack. Bluetooth speaker also can be powered by AC supply normal household current to connect Bluetooth speaker. I see. So the that plug, you don't need the battery. You can run it into a regular wall socket to do it. Let's see. Place a battery pack. Sure, okay. Attach back end of that DC. Insert plug-in adapter. Check. Make sure that an AC adapter. Turn off unit before connecting or disconnect the AC. Otherwise, it may cause malfunction. Do not insert any objects into the jacks or ventilation holes. May cause a malfunction. Let's see. Turn speaker on. USB power. When the battery pack is installed or speaker is connected to AC power and the speaker is turned on the USB port on the Bluetooth speaker supplies charging site for your cell phone and other small USBs. Any device that uses more than, okay, you can only use up to 2.1 amp. Device uses more than 2.1 amps will trip a self-reset overload switch and disable the output. To reactivate the Bluetooth speaker, remove the device and turn on the Bluetooth speaker. Okay. I showed you how to connect the Bluetooth. Press and hold on off button for approximately 3 seconds to turn the Bluetooth speaker on. Speaker will default to Bluetooth pairing mode, and the indicator will flash blue until it is successfully paired. If previously paired to a desired device, the speaker will automatically connect. That's awesome. Okay. Say a Bluetooth speaker was previously paired. If no Bluetooth device was previously paired, the speaker will continue to search for something for 10 minutes. Once the device has successfully paired with the speaker, use device control through tracks of through the volume control on that. But keep in mind, a lot of phones will automatically will not. It'll stay at a level where if you had earbuds, it'll stay that. But if you want to go up higher, all of a sudden the phone is going to say, "Do you want to go higher?" And then you just click yes, and then it'll default to a higher. See, connecting to aux device, insert plug in the audio, which was this one right here. Okay, USB and the USB plug. Let's see, insert plug of audio into audio jack and make sure that they're properly connected. Press hold on and off button for approximately 3 seconds to turn on the Bluetooth speaker on. Speaker will be in aux mode and indicator will illuminate blue. Connect a MP3 player, CD player, or other audio device direct to the speaker using the audio wire. And that's basically it. See, okay. There's your aux. That's your aux speaker if you're going to do a double that way, or you got a USB B port. USB port to charge Yeah. USB port to charge other devices, and then your aux, and then your little aux button on the outside to plug in the earphone jack on your phone if you want to go that way. Same with USB or MP3 player. So there you go. Alright, basically that's all I wanted to know about it. And I don't think it'll charge the battery if plugged into the wall. Oh, please. Getting the groove, tool packing. No, it doesn't say anything about charging the battery while it's in it, which would be a nice option, because if you got it in there and you plug it into the wall, now it's charging it. You don't have to take it out and put it in the other charger, because it would be actually a charger itself, but it does not say that. DC Bluetooth speaker also can be powered by AC supply, normal household equipment. To connect Bluetooth speaker to an AC power, so insert so and so. Turn off before connecting AC, otherwise it may not. Do not insert any small objects, and it doesn't say. See if I go back here. Goes into other modes. USB port. When a battery pack is installed or speaker is connected to AC power and the speaker is turned on, the USB power port on the supplies a charging site for your cell phone or other USB. And that was basically the same thing. But it does not well, that would have been nice. If you plugged it into AC, it would charge your battery. But I'm not seeing that. I'm not seeing any information on that. So, okay. Well, I'll try it down the road, and I'll plug it in and see if it'll charge the battery on my when I do my actual. It's about 3 months before when I do a reevaluation on a tool. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, especially if you've already got one and you've been using it. Let me know how it works for you. And we'll catch you on the next. I just bought it. Crosby's Tool Time. Where do I want to go? But anyway, Merry Christmas.